guys, welcome back to my channel. I messed up the title or the intro. I'm sorry, let's start over. Hey Diamonds, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn on notification, and give me a huge thumbs up. It would really help. And today, I'm going to be showing you all my Legos. And I have a new one to put up for you guys. But I'm going to show you all my other Legos before we get to that part. So, the first Lego I have is this. Actually, I'll put it over here so that it can actually spin. So, as you spin faster, it gets higher and higher. It's just like a ride, I guess. But we'll put that back over here. And the second one is this little tree house. It took forever to build. I glued it together so that it wouldn't come apart as easy anymore. And this is a long-lasting Lego, and his name is Bernard. He lost an arm, but he's happy right now. And I have this little bird set, and I have a deer, and then I have this ginormous dragon, a triceratops. See, hello, triceratops. And then I have like more deer, and then I have this dog competition, I guess, thing. And then I have a barn, which these things folds down, but this one doesn't anymore because I put saddles on it. But these are all the people. And this is one that I made, but the horses came in a set. I don't remember which set it came in, but it came in a set. And then this van thing is one of them. If I can just show you guys like how it opens. I don't know how I will do that, but let's actually, I'll just face it towards me and I'll put this, okay. So it goes like this, and it opens like that. And then the bathroom opens, and then if you pull it open, this door opens, yeah. And then it's just like a bus. And then my second Lego set has this. If you know where this horse came from with this blanket and the bow, comment down below. I would really like your really good Legos if you know that. But I have this horse trailer, and actually if I turn it this way, that would help. So this door opens, and this back opens, and then this is just a normal car thing. And then they can clamp together, and yeah, so I'm just gonna put that back where it was. And that's all. Oh, never mind. I still have another one yet to build, but that's okay. So I have this little dog, and if you know where this piece came from, comment that below. But my next Lego set is this. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye. And shout out to Livycorn AAA, also known as TikTok Obby, the first video that shows up. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.